in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
Hey y'all, today is October 2nd, so I got a unboxing. I got new pots there. I've been at this package, so I've been opening it up. So I think I ordered from Amazon. Let me see. I think so. I don't even say. It's not Amazon, it's Walmart. It's one or the other. I don't remember which one, okay? I gotta go outside today. Alright, this is a nice box set. It's like wood handles, and I'm like, I like that. So, there's the covers. I put them together later, not now. We're figuring out because I've been had them sitting here. See, wood covers. I like that. So cute. This will caught my eye. The wood. Another covers right here. Hurry up. Get into the details. Look how cute it is. Oh, yeah, because I have a pot and it's metal. When I'm cooking, the pot is getting black. So, here's the first pot. Oh, with the handle. This is so cute. This is a good size pot. I'm gonna show all of them. It's so freaking cute. I love it. It comes with a, I don't know what this is, but it comes with this. This, I don't know what this is. It's a strainer or something, I don't know. A pot strainer, I don't know. But I like that. Alright, so these are the other handles. I'll have it right here. Some utensils. Some spatula. Spatula. What do you call this again? I forgot what it's called. Yeah, I forgot. Y'all know what this is. And this is something for a soup. I know for a fact. Okay, so yeah, it's rubber right here, of course. Silicone. I said rubber. I'm so Caribbean. Oh, this is a screwdriver? I got a screwdriver. I didn't even know it was to put the pots together. That's cool. In case I didn't have one, that's what's up. It's another handle. Oh well. Oh, it came off. Oh, I guess it could be easy putting them back on easily. Bro. Okay, I'm going to fix that. I'm going to turn it right now. Fix this over there. This other one. This is like a frying pan, medium, non-stick. All of them non-stick. This is 9.5 inch. Oh, there's two more. Yeah, I like these better. I don't know why I rushed to buy pots. I feel like I rushed to buy pots when I was doing my wishes. This one is 11 inch, good size frying pan. Like some oxtails I'm cooking at this, some curry chicken, some all of the above, everything, boats, all of that. Here's another one right here. It's two. I got two 11 inch pots. Oh, this one is flatter. This one is deeper than this one. You can see it, the difference. That's about it. Oh, no, I must not. Where's the booklet? No, gotta be a booklet in here. No booklet? No manual? What do you say? No manual. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you my pots that I got. I have this other handle, but I love them. They're so freaking cute. Washing them out and cooking. I cannot wait to start cooking in them. I had to order new pots. This was on sale. I think it was like $40. 40 or 45, one of them. Alright, so it's a saucepan or steamer. This is a steamer. It's a steamer. I said a steamer. So this is it on here. You got a 9.5 frying pan, 11 inch frying pan, the saucepan with lid and steamer, the saucepan with the lid, and the saucepan with lid. So I love my pots. I love them. Just cook some rice and peas. Yeah. And a little mini one over here. Because cook okay, this is a good size pot for me. If I'm not trying to eat a lot of rice, it's a good size pot for me to cook some rice in. I love it. Premium granite. It's an induction gas halogen PFOA free. Not recommend dishwasher. So don't put it in the dishwasher. They say utensils. I gotta wash those other things first. So put these in there because I gotta wash these out. Definitely washing them out before I use it. And you can stack them up like easily, you know, like stacked up like this just to keep space. Yeah, I like that. I look like it comes with a steamer. Like you put vegetables and steam it in there. Yeah. I gotta fix this handle. I don't know these handles. Look at them. So cute. Alright, I'm gonna put these pots together, these covers together. So these are the stuff it came with. Let me say something. Okay, maybe I was supposed to take this off. Oh, I think those are extra screws. Because it came with the screw in this in the cover already. I just need to take it off and put it in the pot cover and re-screw it. That's okay. Put it on the bottom, of course, and then you re-screw it. Quick and fast. I mean, that was easy. See there? Yeah. That was quick and easy to do. That was so simple. Yo, we outside. I'm heading to this place. I have an appointment. So we're going there right now. I'm like 2 blocks away. Not far. I've been walking for 30 minutes. But yeah. It's a little chilly out here. I have to go back inside. I only had the shirt on. I had to go back inside and get my jacket. I'm like, oh no. It's a good thing I washed this yesterday. Well, Sunday. I said yesterday. Sunday when I did laundry. Because this jacket was dirty. But yeah, it's like 60 something degrees now. Like what? 65 or 62. Yeah, around that. It's a little nippy. Oh yeah, we in autumn, right? It's autumn. It's autumn time. But yeah. It's cute. So I'm here in front of Wingstop. Waiting for my order because I'm hungry. I was trying to figure out like what should I eat before I go inside. And I'm like, you know what? I was trying to see if we're gonna go to Taco Bell because it's right next door. Even Wendy's is right there too, but I'm like, I don't know. I don't want to. So I chose Wingstop, and we are waiting. My order is like, I'm like 1, 2, 3 people ahead of me. Oh, I keep forgetting when I put mascara on my eyelids. I be forgetting I got mascara on my eyelids, and I keep wiping my eyes. But there's 3 people in front of me, and I'm waiting for my food. I'm hungry. I think I should do a mukbang here. Or when I go home, I just sit on my bed and eat my food in peace. Inside is cold, so that's why I'm like out here. I hate the freezing cold. I ordered a 6-piece classic mango habanero chicken sandwich, Louisiana rub, and well, the chicken sandwich is a combo, so it'll come with the fries and the drink. I got a Diet Coke. I was gonna get lemonade, but I changed my mind. And I ordered the 6-ring Viso. So that came up to $16.85. I'm hungry, like I said. So whatever, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this mukbang here. Just to put up a video because I haven't put up a video in a while. I'm gonna put up a vlog on Sunday. It's a long vlog, so it's taking a while to edit. So the vlog is for the whole month of May. Listen, I know these vlogs is late, but I don't care. I'm posting them. I do not care. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. I was gonna get 10-piece wings, but I changed my mind. I'm like, girl, that's too much. But then I was trying to get a chicken sandwich at the same time. I'm like, no, girl, that's too much. But yeah, we're gonna post this. Little bang. That's me being nosy. My cop's over there. It was Friday night, the cop is outside. But yeah. Work was good. Work wasn't bad. Okay, so when I got off work, I was gonna go to the Bronx, but when I noticed the travel distance and the time they closed, I was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna have to rush when I get there." You know, it makes sense. They closed at 8 o'clock, and I was gonna go there because I left work at 6. I was talking to one of my friends in there, so I left work at 6. But I got up 5:30, but I left at 6. But yeah, the Caribbean supermarket, I was gonna go there, and yeah, it wasn't that far though. It was probably like an hour from Times Square. But I might go to the one in Queens over the weekend. I don't know which day. I gotta figure it out. The ones from Jamaica is nice. My other ones that I got from Labor Day, they've been finished. So yeah, and I see the one in the Bronx. So I see they got surge milk, they got other stuff. The one in Queens, they had franks, like Jamaica Frankfurt. Yeah, but I think they had stopped selling because I guess some people were making a commotion about it in the comments on TikTok, so they stopped selling it, which is stupid, but whatever. People be nosy. Open my camera. Anyways, let me see how much people in front of me. 2 people in front of me now. I'm gonna do my hair this weekend. I've been cut up my hair. I cut out my hair in March. I cut it all off for a fresh start. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get a new style because I'm tired of wearing these damn wigs. Even though it's about to be cold because we're literally in October. I should have been did it from summer start. Like I should have been fixing my hair how I wanted to. Like I wanted a pixie cut. And I waited. It's like every time I try to do it, my ear be itching me and I would scratch it. I know you cannot do your hair. I was trying to relax my hair. I was trying to go back to relaxers. Well, just for that part because I just wanted to, relax it and then do the curls, and then after that I'll just get a press or whatever. I was not gonna perm it all the time, but every time I try to do it, my head keep itching me, and I gotta wash my hair. So you can't do that. You can't perm me after that. So yeah. Thank you. I got my order, but I'm not even gonna bother sitting there because so much people inside. We're gonna do a mukbang at home. I saw the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. Hey y'all, it's Sunday, October 5th. We're heading to the park. That's why I trust in. That's why I trust in. Alright, so yeah, we went to the park and then we go to the store. I was like, the laundry I did the other day, I finally folded up and I was listening to a service. And then I'm like, yeah, I need to go outside and go to the park and go jog. Who will never fail. He will never fail. I trust in God, my Savior, the one. I never came this way before. It's a dead end. I'm by the bridge. Look at the view. Nice. It's nice. Apartments right here next to me. Everybody outside. This is a nice view. It's a better view from where I'm at. But it's nice out here. It's cute. You will never. If I knew, oh my god, I could have put my son over here the other day. It's cool. See the apartments building right here. People's outside on the balcony. But it's so nice. The sun feels so good right now. Oh my god. Yeah, so I cleaned up. I'm like, I'm going outside. I took a shower and everything. The only thing though, I was like, oh man, I should have seasoned the meat before, well, salmon, before I showered. But I'm gonna use the gloves. Well, I'm gonna shower again because I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to the gym after I leave over here. Well, when I get back inside, because I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I think after I cook, I'll go to the gym. Yeah, I wanna work on my arms. Look flabby. I don't like that. This sun feels so good though. They got the best view. I ain't gonna lie. I'm pretty sure over here a little better at night. Oh, I can come over here at nighttime. I'm gonna come over here at nighttime. Not tonight though. Some other night. Somebody's in the water. Other boats. What's up? Oh, the beach is so good. It's the area I'm at right now. It's so nice out here. Area than mine. Go this way to the park. More than able. I'm at the park now. I'm gonna go run in a minute. I'm getting myself ready. Walking for like, this is like my 4 laps. So I'm gonna start running soon. Just a little warm up before I start running. I'm done working out. I'm tired. This is like an hour later. I'm so tired. I gotta go to the supermarket still. Look at the sun. I know the sunset gonna look nice over here. Oh. Y'all hear the waves? It's so peaceful to hear the waves. I love the waves. I appreciate the waves. I'm going inside and cook and eat. I'm hungry. I am hungry. All I had this morning was an egg sandwich with the lemon blueberry bread. That's all I had. I want to go inside. I want to eat a salad and I want to eat. I'm gonna make some sweet potatoes. I'm looking at chicken right now. Oh, look at the ducks. Oh, look at the duckies. I'm over this one. I want some sweet potatoes with ground beef. I saw something like this on Instagram. I'm gonna try that because I have sweet potatoes and I have ground beef. I took ground beef out like an hour before I left out. I took it out. So ground beef, sweet potatoes. I think you put lettuce in there. What else? Some seasonings. I'm gonna try that when I go home. Do something simple. Can't butter rice and peas to them. Can't butter. I didn't feel like cooking a rice and peas. So yeah. tomorrow because I have to go somewhere tomorrow. So I'm gonna go now before I go to work. So I'm gonna go. I have an appointment tomorrow. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna get it tomorrow when I come back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's outside the bus runs on. I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's where I take the bus to the F train. I did not notice that. I love the vibe out here. It's cool. It's nice. So peaceful, relaxing. There's another boat come here. Oh yeah, there's another boat right here. When I was what do you call those? The jet skis. I saw people on jet skis when I was on the tracks. Is this one right here coming? Is that a jet ski or that's a boat? Is that the LIR? I don't even know. I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, look at this. The waves over here is heavier. I'm trying this way. Oh, they come in heavier. That's dope. There's more over there. Back here. Look at that. There's more over. There's a lot of them. Where are they coming from? I guess those are the ones I saw earlier. I don't know. Yeah, we are living life. As you should, shoot. You know, when we gonna leave this earth? Period. I'm by the ducks. I'm closer to them. They're so cute. The sun is setting. It's dark now. Well, it's getting dark. The sun went down and everything, so we going back home. I'm not even about to go to the supermarket. I'll go tomorrow after my appointment because I'm tired. I'm hungry. So, yeah. Oh, a Tesla. Oh, Tesla, right? Yeah, I said it right. I've been messing up. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go inside and eat a salad or 2 eggs, eat a salad. Make my potatoes with the ground beef. I'm gonna put eggs in there. I don't have no avocado. Okay, tomorrow when I go after my appointment, I'm gonna go get more lettuce. And what else I was gonna get? Oh, I'm gonna get banana too. I need to start making my smoothies again. Banana finished like 2 days ago, so I need more. I don't watch my back. I don't trust people, bro. Shit, I seen me turn around how many times? I don't play that. And you right too. So, but yeah, see, I want to get in. I'm not even about to go to the gym. Should I? Tired though. I think I did 4 laps. 4 laps running, and I walked the rest. I think I did 3 times. I walked 3 to 4 times, and then I did 4 laps. around the track. So my body tired. See, my knee telling, nah, I'm not gonna over myself. Because I did when I went to the gym, I over myself. Well, what was it, Monday? The first. Whenever the first was, I went to the gym. I stayed there for an hour and I was on the phone with Kimani, so I didn't vlog. But I was down there for an hour. I did the treadmill. Oh my god. That shit is the devil. It's the devil. Yeah, this way is so much quicker. The last time I took to the park, this way is quicker. I never walked this way before. So yeah, we're gonna take this way from now on because it's so quick. I'm like 2 blocks from the building. I'm proud of myself for going outside today and spend, what time is it now? Almost 7, so 3 hours. Oh, it was 2 hours. Is it 3 hours or 2 hours? I don't know what time I came outside. But yeah, I've been wanting to go. I keep going to the gym. But like I said, I don't like the treadmill. So I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself for doing that today. I think tomorrow I might cook. Usually, you know, sometimes when I don't feel like cooking rice and peas on a Sunday, I'll do the Monday. It's just, I don't know. I just don't feel like doing it on a Sunday. I feel like Sunday, most of the time, Sunday is a rest day. But even though you still be doing stuff sometimes, they say it's a reset day. Oh, see, I need to wash my hair too. I forgot. I'm trying to get this carbs off my body, man. I feel like I lose a few pounds though, because usually when I touch my back, it's fatter than this. Probably lose like 2 pounds. It's still something. Please. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. Get my food. Got some wheat pasta right there with some ground beef, sweet potatoes with bacon, salad on the side. Yeah, that's it. We're at Food Bazaar again. I need a pineapple. Today is what, Tuesday, October 7th. Where's the basket stuff? I got a small basket up here. Get a small basket. Oh, I didn't get a banana. Look at a banana too. No, this thing is $7. I don't know if I'm gonna buy this for $7. The smallest pineapple is $7. I'm not buying this for $7 though. Look at this one, 2 for $5. And they selling that one for $7. They're crazy. I'm not doing that. Period. Just went downstairs to get my table set I ordered from Shein. I'm gonna open it though, because I don't know if this is everything. I'm about to open it and see what it is. I'm putting it right here. I didn't even know this was just chairs I ordered. It was just 4 chairs. So I'm about to order a table. Damn. Cause I'm like, where's the other box? I know everything ain't fixed to fit in here. But it's cool. I'm gonna order the table. Y'all, just came off Friday. Just got to Long Island because I need to go to the Food Bazaar. Down there, it's a long walk, like a 10-minute walk. But I need some chicken legs. The other day when I went there, I think it was 2 days. Was it yesterday or the day before? Today's October 10th. Like I said, it's not work. And I'm walking to the Food Bazaar up there because I need some more. I need chicken and I need some more cheesies. I'm gonna buy Kimani. I'm gonna go see Kimani tomorrow. I'm buying some Bigfoot. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be able to like that. Little things like that. He loved those stuff, so I think they were like 79 cents. Or was it 99 cents? One of them. I don't remember the price, but yeah. Today was a good day. Listen, it's cold. The weather is was it 51? No. When I left work it was 62 degrees. It was colder this morning. I see a lot of people in their puffers. I was like, oh, I should have worn mine. I wasn't gonna wear my puffer. I thought it was gonna be hot. Shit, I should have wore it because honestly it's cold right now. like we're gonna have a really cold winter. But let me hurry up. Let's go in Food Bazaar. Honestly, this Food Bazaar don't have a lot of stuff like the one in Brooklyn. The one in Brooklyn is way better. Way better. Type of person. I don't mind travel to get stuff. I would have been way better if I had a car. Maybe I should get a car. I need to go learn how to drive and get a car. I don't know. I don't feel I need to get a car stuff. I really don't. I'm in New York. I don't need a car. I wouldn't need for things like this, like, you know, to travel and road trips and stuff. But other than that, I don't need a car. You gotta pay insurance and pay for shit, pay for when the car is messed up. I ain't got time for that. Nah, I don't got time for that. But anyways, we're going into a market right now, so I'm gonna see how we get inside. The other day when I came here, this pineapple was $6.99, $7, and they changed it. But I bought 2 the other day. Like, should I get it still? Costa Rica. I'm gonna have a lot of pineapples. I'm gonna have to cut it up. Look, y'all. I never saw melon before. My first time seeing melon. It's yellow. Oh no, inside is, look, it's Korean melon. Oh, it's Korean. I didn't even see it. Baby bananas. This is my car so far. Let's go. Got 2 of these for my papa. And the cheesies for me. I got 2 of these for Kimani and 3 of the cheesies for me. I tried, where's some of them? St. Mary's. This one, but it was an extra crispy one I tried the other day. It was good. I'm gonna see it. I'll sit here. This is good. Okay, 2. I like these. These are nice. I haven't had this in so long. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, that's about it right now. The place dark up. Quick, me go inside and come on. Let me stay along. $42 me spend. Look at something there. Me put back your banana. Come here, banana home already. Now what between them trucking them? I trust people, you know? My glasses. I mean, I have my glasses serious, so they look extra dark. Oh no, I'm because I can't even one blind. I'm not able to come in here for people, you know. I'm not able to act all. People don't know me because. Hey y'all, it's Saturday and I'm with my papa. I guess he dressed himself today. He always come outside with his Game Boy headphones. His game headphone. I say Game Boy headphones. Yeah. He in the Bigfoot that I bought him 3 Bigfoot. He wanted to bring all 3 of them outside. I'm like, you got to go.
Yeah, you good.
It's finished?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. He did give me some. This spicy one. But yeah, he wanted to bring all 3 of them outside. I'm like, we about to go get some lunch. He said he want Burger King chicken sandwich. So that's where we going. Yeah, this weather is raining today. It's not raining now, but it was when I left out. It's after 2 now. So is this lunchtime? Yeah. He got the chicken sandwich, the french fries, and the frozen Coke, and I got the bacon, cheeseburger. Here. I'm gonna drink from Dunkin'. I ordered some crab legs. So I bought him some crab legs. Look at the price. $33. And hash browns. Well, like from Walmart, but it's cheap over here. Y'all, look at that found in Dollar Tree. This is so cute. They got so many new stuff in here. These. It's like every time I come to the Dollar Tree, they got new stuff. They got these up here. Gel mask, peel-off. This came in Home Goods. But look at this. The price is $16.99. This is so freaking cute. I saw something on Temu like this similar. Oh, there's another one at the bottom. Oh, they're so nice. The vacuums. Electric vacuums. Sunday. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Today's October 12th. I'm here cooking some food. Oh my god, it's like, what time is it? I've been in bed most of the day because, oh my god, I'm so tired. I did not want to get up and cook. My body was so drained. Yeah, but I put some curry chicken and that's what we're making right now. White rice, because I was not gonna do the rice and peas. Rice and peas wasn't gonna take too long, and I didn't soak the peas, so. But I did put some peas in the fridge to soak because I might cook some rice and peas in a week. It's been a while since I had some. I might cook some rice and peas with fried chicken or rice and peas with barbecue chicken in the week. Or fish. Oh, I bought fish, so maybe fish. But yeah, I'm waiting for my food. I'm starving. I didn't eat nothing. All I got this morning, I had 3 pieces of watermelon. It's like after 5 right now. Yeah. Yeah, I had 2 pieces of watermelon and I had some lemon water. I didn't eat nothing. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat. But yeah, oh yeah, I bought some vitamins from Walmart yesterday. I'm actually take some off right here. Hold on. Let's put y'all up here. Hold on, it's like one a day. It's compared to one a day's woman. So this is it. This is the one. And it's for heart health, immune health, bone health, hair, skin, and nails health, muscle health, and energy. So it was like 9 something, almost $10. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy that instead of buying. So I was gonna get some magnesium. I'm like, you know what? I saw this one. I was like, oh, let me get this one instead. The magnesium has something to do with muscle health and stuff like that, right? So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. Oh, the big capsule. They big. Y'all see them? Yeah. How much is it take? Let me see how much it take. Alright, so it's a 1 tablet with food. So I'm gonna take it with my food. I'm almost done. The rice is done. The chicken almost done. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Got my plate ready. And got my rice cooker right here. Cause I'm taking 2 scoop of rice. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat this after. I'm gonna care. I'm hungry. Oh my god. I'm so. Might watch a movie though. Oh no, I didn't put it on Sisters. Here, I'm cooking my new pot, the mixed vegetables. My rice back here. I was gonna cook the rice in this pot, but I'm like, it's too small, so yeah. Right. Dinner ready, man. Touch my hungry bud. I'm about to eat right now. I'm put it on Sisters later.